sure is cold today. Here I am walking down 66. Wish she hadn't done me that way. Sleeping under a table in a roadside park, a man could wake up dead. Now it sure seems warmer than it did, sleeping in my king-size bed. All right. Is anybody going to San Antonio or Phoenix, Arizona? Yeah, any place is all right as long as I can't forget I've ever known her. Peter. Yeah, wind whipping down the neck of my shirt like I ain't got nothing on. But I'd rather fight the wind and rain than what I've been fighting back home. Yeah, there comes a truck with a U.S. mail, people writing letters back home. Tomorrow she'll probably want me back, I'll still be just as gone. Is anybody going to San Antonio or Phoenix, Arizona? Yeah, any place is all right as long as I can't forget how there is a voice. Here we go. Is anybody going to San Antonio or Phoenix, Arizona? Yeah, any place is all right as long as I can't forget I've ever known her. Any place is all right as long as I can't forget